What's incredible? Back with another video today. Yup. So I got my underglow lights for my LED. My underglow lights for my car. It's from Lightning Trend. I got them. I probably had them by about 3 weeks now, and I'm just now having the weekend to put them on. The weekend that I got them, I was doing something else, and then the weekend after that. Oh no, the weekend I got them, I didn't bring my tools home from work. So the weekend after that, I went to my niece's graduation party. And then this week, I was free to do them. So I got my LED lights for my car. It's multiple colors. It's not one color, it's multiple colors. So I'm going to jack the car up, take the wheels off, get up under there, and get it right. So let's go. This bad boy. So. And I also got some extra screws or whatever. I looked on YouTube and I seen some self-tapping screws or whatever the case may be. So Red Key TV, the one showed me this. He said if I have any problems, hit him up. 9 out of 10, I will hit him up. I know I will hit him up, but so far, I'm gonna see what I can do with this. So I end up putting 3M tape right here, but I'm gonna end up putting zip ties on it. I have zip ties right here. I'm gonna end up putting zip ties on it. I'm gonna deck it down all the way around. But so far so good. And this right here, don't worry about it. I'm gonna pull it far back as possible from the exhaust so it won't heat up, because you know your exhaust gets hot real quick. Because these bars are very long. I ordered the right one, but these bars are very long. So I got the zip ties right there, and I'm going to end up putting them like 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Oh, so that make it 3 of them. Actually, I did 1, 2. I mean 2 holes a piece, because they got to go around. So 1, 2, 3. So 3 holes up under there, and that'll hold that up. Like I said, don't worry about this, because I will be eventually moving this and bringing it all the way around, bringing it up. Yeah, they got to come all the way up here and touch the back of this where the heat shield's at. Then it's gonna go right here. It'll go all the way down. But pretty much I'm gonna put it behind the panel right here, so you don't have to worry about that. It'll be behind the panel, behind the lights, and then to my side. Different day. Saturday, I got the lights working. I actually got 2 sides of them working. I got the front bumper and the driver's side working. Only thing I got to get now is the passenger side and the back, and then I'll be done. I wish I did record it. I think I can. Hold on one second. So this is what I'm saying, that as you can see, all 4 of them are hooked up. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's hooked up. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's hooked up, right? You see all 4, but only have the front bumper, like I said, and the driver's side connected. So what I'm about to go do, I got, yeah, this one ain't even on either. Nope. Hold up, where is it? Is it on? Nope, that was not even on. So what I'm about to go do, I'm about to, since these wires are not connected, so what I'm about to do, I'm about to just rearrange the wiring from, okay, how I got this end, this connected to the front end, so I'm going to change it to the back end, because on these Lightning Trends, you have 2 ends on both, 2 wires on both. So what I'm about to do, I'm basically about to run the wire from the other end that I don't have connected and see if that'll work. If that works, then I'm good. And we can go from there, and I'm gonna tell y'all how I got it wired and everything else like that. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, there was light. There is light. We got light. Told y'all I was not gonna give up until I got it. So the whole thing was that with the Lightning Trends, you gotta make sure With the lightning trends, you have to make sure the connection is right on it. As you can see, I got light. Oh, let me get up on here. See, I got light over there, got light over there, I got light all the way around. So with these lightning trends, you have to make sure that one end, cause like, all right, say for instance this one. You see how I got that one? This was never the one I hooked it up to. This was the one. So either side did not. This side worked, but this side didn't. I don't understand it. Don't ask me. I got ask lightning trend. But whatever the case may be, I got it working. I got it on, and bro, I'm very satisfied with it. But I have the Bluetooth one, so I have to go into my phone to my settings and play with it. I got another camera I'm gonna use. What I said about another camera I'm gonna use, I'm gonna use my other camera so where y'all can see the flow, cause I got the flow series of it, and we're gonna get it. I have to rewire this one on the driver's side because I don't have no room to play with. And lucky enough, I caught it because it was burning. My headers was burning this. So just imagine your head is getting heat quick. It just get heat real fast. It heat up very fast. So I'm gonna have to find a way to rewire this. Most likely I'm gonna have to go up under the car, jack this side up. Well, I'm gonna jack all four sides up, keep the tires on this side, and just go run the wires and run them over this way because I got more room to play with over here. And I got more of this anyway, in this tube box somewhere right here, as you can see. But anyways, like I said, I got it. Let me get this whole wiring thing back right, yo. I'll be back with y'all. It's hot out here. I'm finally done. So I'm about to show y'all how I ran my wires and everything else like that. I got a few little nick picks I got to put up and everything like that, but I'm gonna put them up after I get done showing y'all everything I got to show y'all of how I ran my wires. Let's get it. So for the front, what I did for the front right here, which is this bar right here. So what I did for the front, I ran my wire here. I'm about to push it up, get something to put it right there so it won't be dangling like that. So I did that, and I ran it through here. So I ran that through here, right? All right, follow me. So what I did was that I brought them all up through here, right? So what I did was that I went through the passenger side right here. I went through, I took all this out. Once I took all of it out, I fish it with this wire right here through here. So all my wires are coming through here. I didn't feel safe with doing it through here, even though Red Key TV, shout outs to him because he helped me out the most. He helped me out. So shouts out to him because he had it on his page. Y'all better yet, y'all go like, comment, subscribe to his channel too. Even though most of y'all probably already are, but still yet, shout out to Red Key TV. He told me to run it through here, which I did, but I didn't feel safe. But on the driver's side, you don't have much room to play. So I did through the driver's side too. You don't have room to play, and that what melted it. Melt my other one. Lucky enough, I caught it right in time. So what I did, I skipped this part. So basically, I ran all my wires through up and through here, and it went right beside the washer. I'm gonna have to find me a cover to cover this up because I don't like the way it's looking. All the wires and everything, I don't like the way it looks, so I'm gonna just cover that up. So, like I said, I ran my wires, ran them through here. The back bar, the back right here. My back one here, I ran it because, see, I had to plug up to this one at first, and this one don't work. I mean, I don't know. I had to go through that one. So what I did was that I ran it up through here. I ran it real tight through there. This is nothing. I hope it's nothing. I'll find out. Then I ran it up through here. Then I just ran it behind my shocks, and I just ran it through here. Ran it all the way down here, as you can see. I think you can see it. I ran it through here. These the push pins. I got to put them back in. See, yep, here you go right here. Ran it through here. And then this one on the passenger side, I did the same thing. Just got it right here, push it through there, and bring it out there. And just follow the line. Continue following the line through here. Follow the line through here. I brought it up through here. I brought it right here. I push it behind my thing right here so you really can't see it. Only I can see it. And I know it's there. And you can see it now since you see it. And I bring it through here. And it's dropped on the side of this. On the side of this panel right here. And I fish it up. And it came up through here. So I zip tied all my wires together. I zip tied every wire together. I zip tied them all together to get it right. All right. This right here, I think I ain't really worrying about it no more because it's up. It's up and it's up. Up and it's up. Whatever she said. I went straight across. Yo. For real, no lie. I just went straight across. It was wham, bam, thank you, ma'am. And after I went straight across, I went across the bar. Which I should have did was that I should have did the same thing like I did with the front. I should have just have it coming through here, all the way through here, and straight through there. That's what I should have did, but I'm not even worrying about it no more. I don't even care. Don't talk bad about me. Don't comment about it. Oh, well, you should have did the same thing as you did the first one. I just said it. I ain't want to hear that bullshit. I should. Trust me. I should have did that, but I didn't. So what I did was that I wasn't thinking about it. I just followed the other three and just. But I gotta zip tie that one up. Y'all see that? Focus camera. There's one right there. I gotta zip tie that one up. So I just zip tied it and all this other good stuff and just had it like that. I'm pretty sure I'm not gonna scrape nothing because I'm not sitting that low. So I got all four of them on. So let me say this now. I got all four of them on. The front, two sides, everything else like that. All right, so y'all, this is the final product of the lights. I got my grill lights on. As you know, those are Op7 lights, so this is it. This is the final product. I had help, you know what I'm saying, from everybody, from 3 different folks. I got to play with it. I got the Bluetooth one. I got to play with it. I should have got the controller one, because that way I could have set it a different color, but I wanted the strobe one so you can do like that, what it doing. It do what it do. But it's different modules. I mean, different things I could play with it. So I really had to buckle down and play with my grill lights again. But I like it though. It set it off, yo. Set it off. But this is your boy, Most Incredible, and I'm out, yo. You know what I'm saying? Let's go.